Hello everyone, I'm Rhino. Today I will show you how can use export this model from Rhino Grasshopper to RFEM. RFEM is a structural analysis software can use for structural calculation. This model I create from Grasshopper and based to Rhino and rendering. You can see in the shape views. And I apply some material and render to concept design. This is the steel material and this membrane material. And now I show you the model in RFEM. Here you can see the model in RFEM after I export and calculate. After calculation, you can see the global deformation. The rest area is the loss deformation. You can see the chart here. 700 millimeters near rest area, and down to the blue. Blue is the smallest deformation. And you can see here some of the values of deformation of steel frame. 24.5 millimeters, and the middle 0.7 millimeters. These are some info for deformation. And in RFEM you can see many information. After calculate, you can see the internal force, and you can see the assist force, shear force, and torsions, bending moment. Okay, so how can you export from Rhino Grasshopper to RFEM to calculate? I will delete all the result, and you can see this model. This model is after you transfer, you have this model. You show the surface. You can see this model after you transfer. How can transfer to this? I'm back to Rhino Grasshopper. Here is a script I have made to transfer to RFEM. This script I made the model, and here I use Kangaroo for analyze form finding for design. I will hide this model and show you the form finding first. Change. I show the model in Grasshopper. Here is a model in Grasshopper, you can see. And this model before form finding. And you can see, you can run the Kangaroo for form finding this. I change shape views, and you can see clearly. Okay. And after form finding, I use some scripts to base to Rhino. And here is a script for the RFEM. The first I create the material first, and you see this I create steel material and membranes material. How can you know this? The name of material. You can see here the name of steel material S355. You can copy from RFEM. You create material and then you can copy here. Click and copy here and paste to the Grasshopper. Paste to panel of Grasshopper, and you can taste the material exactly in RFEM. And for section, you do the same. It's the RFEM sections. You can take from RFEM and click and go to section tab and copy this section. I made 4 sections. One section is the big beam, this member, and this the vertical member smaller, and one is columns, and one the section for the cable, steel cable. You can see here this steel cable. Here steel cable here. 2 model is same. And we have a 4 section here. And after you have a section in material, you test all for the members. After you install plugin, you have plugin for the RFEM, and here you have some material and members and session. These are some component I have used here. And after you have a material and session, you connect to the members like this. Connect the material and session to members. And after connect to members, you use the last component. This component will export the model from Rhino Grasshopper to RFEM. You can find this component from RFEM 6 main export component. You expand the additional here. The run is require the boolean values. You can use a toggle or button. I use button because I avoid after I change it will run again and it will be crashed. Better you use button here, and you take all the RFEM component. All RFEM component you plug to the input and plasten here default. Because the axis in the RFEM inverse to the other software, so you need to flip the axis, and you can choose override if you run new. Okay, after you set all up, you will transfer to RFEM. I will open the new file in RFEM, and I will transfer this to RFEM. It takes some minutes. Oh, here I type new models. Okay, here we have a new model and here I will arrange some space so you can see the model. Okay. Okay, after I arrange the frame here, I will run. You can see I already placed. It takes some minutes. You can see it's blur and start to transferring the model to RFEM. You can see the progress here. Okay, it's finished. You can see I will display the member representatives. Okay, now you have a model in RFEM. Same with a model in Grasshopper, and you have a model here, and you can start to add some loads and load scale, and you can calculate in RFEM. I will make another tutorial to add some force, some load, and calculate to make the form finding for this in another tutorial. Okay, this tutorial will finish here. Thank you and see you again. Bye bye.